In this section, we'll look beneath the surface, not at how the wallet looks, but at how it actually functions. In PISTIS, our wallet is not a financial tool. It doesn't hold tokens, balances, or payment data. Instead, it stores identity credentials and cryptographic keys. Its purpose is to handle signing, authentication, and authorization, and nothing beyond that. Each user controls their own private keys. These keys are generated and stored locally, usually in the browser or a secure hardware enclave. The wallet never transmits raw keys to the server or exposes them externally. All digital signatures are created on the user's device, ensuring complete control over their identity and credentials. The wallet's main job is to sign actions. It signs smart contract calls, data access approvals, and consent declarations. Once signed, these actions are sent to the smart contract execution engine, which verifies the signatures and triggers the correct contract logic. Because every signature is cryptographically verifiable, there's no need for additional layers of trust. The wallet contains no user profile. It's built around public and private key pairs, which are pseudonymous by design. Only the minimum data required to generate a valid signature is processed. No emails, names, or personal information are stored or transmitted at any point. The wallet communicates exclusively with the smart contract execution engine through secure, well-defined APIs. It never connects directly to the blockchain or the monetary wallet. This strict separation keeps the architecture clean and the security posture strong. To summarize, the PISTIS wallet is focused entirely on identity. It operates securely and statelessly, connecting only to the SCEE in a privacy-preserving way. This design makes it lightweight, auditable, and easy to integrate into the broader PISTIS ecosystem. In the final section, we'll bring everything together and see how these components work in harmony, creating a compliant, privacy-respecting, and future-ready platform for secure data transactions.